Hi everyone, I am Alex Schelhaas, the product manager here at Cavallo, and today we're going to talk about how to create a customer-focused alert. Let's dive into the tips and tricks. So if you have a really important order from a customer or from anybody that you want to be monitoring and keeping track of, all you need to do to set up a notification for that is go into Alerts Preference in Analytics Cloud, go to the Order Alerts, and then set up a new alert. So we've got an important order, and let's say, check this out. And let's go ahead and send a notification to alex@cavallo.com. And in this scenario, you could define an important order any way that you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and define an important order as something that is bigger than $1 million. This way, anytime we receive a new order for greater than $1 million, I'm going to get a notification and I can make sure that that document is processed smoothly. Simply click Save, and you're off to the races. You've created an important order alert. All right, and that's how you create a customer-focused alert. If there's any other topic you'd like to cover about Cavallo Analytics Cloud, please feel free to leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks.